Good morning, everyone. I hope that you guys had a relaxing weekend and are ready to jump back into week 7, day 1 of distance learning. This will be your last week of new assignments. So you will receive 2 assignments from me this week, and then you will not receive any new assignments for the weeks to follow. Even though I will not be adding in any new assignments, you will have the next 2 weeks to turn in anything that you have not done. So make sure that you're using this time as a catch-up, okay? So for today's assignment, you will be reading 2 different informational texts, about others making a difference around the world, and then answering a few text-dependent questions. Okay, so let's kind of look at our assignment and we'll go over what exactly needs to be done and what I'm looking for. So for your first informational text, you will be reading about Wangari Maathai. And if I'm pronouncing that incorrectly, please make sure you're letting me know, because I kind of put it through Google Translate and tried to make sure I pronounce it correctly, but I have a feeling I'm not pronouncing it correctly. So we are going to be looking at what Wangari has done to make a better life for those in Africa. So she rose to prominence fighting for those easily marginalized in Africa, meaning the poor women that are there. So she tried to help people in poverty, especially the women in Africa. So you will be reading the following article about Wangari. Okay. And then you're going to be looking at the following text-dependent questions. Okay, so the directions state use complete sentences to answer the following text-dependent questions. When you are using complete sentences for these 2 text-dependent questions, make sure you are using part of the question in your answer. So don't just say, she did this because, or it happened because, or just even starting with because, okay? I want you to start it out with saying, some of the obstacles Wangari Maathai struggled against in creating this campaign for the Green Belt movement were, okay? Make sure that you are using complete sentences. This is going to show me that you really know what you're talking about, and this is how you will get full credit on this assignment. So your first question states, what were some of the obstacles Wangari Maathai struggled against in creating and campaigning for the Green Belt movement? So you're going to be looking for some of the obstacles that she faced. And then for the second question, what is the meaning of the slogan, think globally, act locally? So be thinking about what that actually means and answer the following question. Okay, easy enough for your first article. For your second article, so the directions state, read about how this nonprofit website has made a difference in the world. As you're reading, be thinking about ways that you can make a difference for an issue that you care about. So our next informational text is coming from freerice.com. So we are going to be reading about what this nonprofit organization is doing to feed people, all right? And then you'll answer one text-dependent question in complete sentences, and that is, how does the game on freerice.com achieve its 2 goals? So how does this game help to achieve its goals? And you will find that within the article, okay? So that is all for today. I will have another video coming out to you guys on Wednesday for your new assignment, and that will be your last assignment, you guys. You're almost done. You're almost there, and I just want to say how proud I am of all of you for getting all of your work turned in, for catching up, even though you guys have been in the face of great adversity during this time. You guys have done a great job in stepping up and really taking charge of your education. I'm so proud of you. Even though this is not how I wanted the end of our year to be together, I just can't say enough how proud I am to have you guys as my students and as my first ever class. I am so excited for your future, and I can't wait to see you guys all again soon after all of this craziness. Please come back and visit me in the future. I would love to see all of you. Okay. And with that being said, I'll let you guys go. I'll stop being sappy for a moment and let you guys complete your assignment for today. Thank you so much for everything that you do, and continue to reach out to me via email, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Have a wonderful day, you guys. Bye.